Scene script. Imagine a world where the cost of green technology is so affordable it becomes the new norm. Picture a society where the demand for technical jobs outweighs any other industry. Can you perceive a universe where the Senate approves a bill worth $250 billion to boost tech research and development? This is not a glimpse into a distant future, but the current state of science and technology. Let's begin with an interesting revelation from the world of economics. Renowned economist Nicholas Stern, who is well known for his work on climate change economics, recently shed light on the falling cost of green technology. He drew a parallel between the declining cost of video calls and the potential value of green technology. Stern argues that the costs of taking action on climate change have decreased, while the costs of inaction have increased. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind are now cheaper than fossil fuels in many parts of the world, and electric cars are becoming more competitive with internal combustion vehicles. This shift in economics is a trend that has a transformative impact on the global economy and the way we live. The second trend that demands attention is the exponential growth in the demand for technical jobs. The pandemic has accelerated the need for roles such as programming, software development, and engineering. Companies are facing new challenges in supporting e-commerce, developing collaboration tools, and improving cybersecurity infrastructure. Salaries for technical roles remain high, and employers are increasingly looking for candidates with non-traditional backgrounds and soft skills like communication and teamwork. This evolution in the tech job market is not only reshaping the way we work, but also how we learn and educate. Finally, we turn our gaze towards the governmental sector. The Senate has recently approved a bipartisan bill worth a staggering $250 billion to increase government spending on technology research and development. This bill aims to address the growing competition from countries like China in the tech sector. This development signifies a powerful commitment from the government to prioritize technology and innovation. In summary, these three key trends, the declining cost of green technology, the surge in demand for technical jobs, and the significant increase in government spending on tech research, are shaping the current state of science and technology. They are influencing the economy, job market, and governmental policies and will continue to steer the direction of our future. So the question is not what if, but what's next. As we continue to navigate these evolving landscapes, one can only wonder what other transformative trends lie on the horizon of science and technology. The future is not just something we predict, it is something we participate in. And by understanding these trends, we are actively engaging in shaping our own future.